connect with Excel and the database. I can press on this button, then choose options, months, year, connect, connecting successfully. Connection is done. Now I need extract the data from database to Excel with needed format for customer. Now I determine the date from 1 July to 31 July, and I will choose all names or all employees. Run. This will choose one printer. Okay. I will wait, then code run and generate all names with all data, and will display all payroll data saved in folder attendance on your desktop. Okay, this user has one login and hasn't logged out. This user and this shape for printing, but normal, this data and total attendance, total absence, total hour cost will add manually, total amount, loan, net amount, and this is his image, but I use sample for image, and all this data generated quickly. Okay.